Why not make some simple wheat flour biscuits? Nothing too fancy, just basic ingredients from the kitchen. These biscuits come out golden and perfectly crispy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, in a mixing bowl, I add 1 cup of wheat flour and 3/4 cup of suji. But before adding to the mixture, I blended the suji to make it finer. In a separate bowl, I add half cup of sugar and half cup of milk. I mix this gently, but the sugar does not have to melt completely. Then I keep it aside. In the flour and suji mixture, I add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for a beautiful aroma. Now I am taking about 6 to 7 cashew nuts and chopped into pieces to give these biscuits a nice crunchy texture. Now I am adding the chopped cashew nuts into the flour mixture. Then I add 2 teaspoons of ghee to the bowl. Then I mix the ghee into the flour until the texture feels slightly crumbly, almost like sand. Now it's time to add the milk and sugar mixture, but I do it gradually. I pour a little into the flour mix with my hand and slowly keep adding more. Once the dough is ready, I knead it gently. Then I divide the dough into 2 portions. Take 1 portion and roll it with a medium thickness. Then using a knife or cutter, I cut it into small pieces. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. There are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Here all the biscuits are ready to fry. Now heat oil in a pan over medium heat. I gently place the shaped dough pieces into the oil one by one. I don't crowd the pan so they fry properly. I flip them occasionally until they turn golden brown and crispy. This usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Once they are golden and done, I take them out and place them on a paper towel to soak up the extra oil. As they cool, they become even crispier. I taste one, sweet, crunchy and full of flavor. These little bites go perfectly with tea or coffee. These wheat flour biscuits come out perfectly crispy on the outside with a light melt-in-your-mouth texture inside. The cashew nuts add a lovely crunch that makes every bite even better. I stored the extra biscuits in the airtight jar once they cool completely. They stay fresh for days and are always a delicious biscuits at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.